What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply card sleeves in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly get those card sleeves and how do you exactly apply them into your cards here or your deck? So first things first is, how do we get them? So typically, you could get them by participating or just playing the game here, which is relatively easy. But if you want to buy a premium one, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the three bar icon at the bottom right here. You want to go to shop, and under shop, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and go to special, and you should be able to see a sleeve that is sold in here. Now you could go ahead and click on it and just buy it if you have enough. Now, how do you apply this? So, what we need to do is you want to go to your deck. Let's go and click on the deck icon here. Click on decks. And from here, you want to go ahead and select the deck. And from here, click on the change icon that you see next to your deck here. And you want to go ahead and click on one of the available slots for accessories. Now, from here, you could go and change your current accessory. You could go change to coins, play mats, or card sleeves, and just choose the card sleeve that you want to use and just close this one, and that should apply that card sleeve on it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.